Hello, good day. I'm Teacher Dave. I'll be discussing about addition and subtraction of polynomials. Before going to addition and subtraction of polynomials, let's review first about the numerical and literal coefficients. Say for example, negative 23x squared y. The numerical coefficient of this term is negative 23. Actually, the numerical coefficient, it is the number that precedes the variables together with their exponents. And the literal coefficients are the variables together with their exponents. How about this example? Negative xy. Here, you cannot see any number that precedes the variables. In this example, the numerical coefficient of the term is negative 1. Same true with xy. The numerical coefficient is 1, and the literal coefficient of these two examples is xy. Now, we proceed on the addition and subtraction of polynomials. Take note that we can only add and subtract like terms or similar terms. So, what are like terms? Like terms are terms having same literal coefficient, meaning having the same variable with the same exponent. Take a look for this example. 3xy and 2xy squared. These terms have the same variable, x and y. But the exponents of y variable are not the same, therefore they are not like terms. Another example, 3x squared y and 2x squared y. These terms have the same variable with the same exponent. Therefore, these terms are like terms. In adding and subtracting polynomials, we just add or subtract the numerical coefficients of the like terms. We just apply the rules in adding and subtracting integers. Let's have this. First example, 3x plus 3y. The two terms are not similar. Then we cannot add the terms. So, just copy the terms as the answer. 3x plus 3y. Another example. 3x plus 3y plus 4y. 3y and 4y are like terms. So we can add the numerical coefficients. 3 plus 4 is 7. And copy the literal coefficient which is y. So 7y. And we cannot add 3x. So the answer is 7y plus 3x or 3x plus 7y. Another example, 3y minus negative 4y. 3y and negative 4y are like terms, so we can subtract these two terms. But we must apply the rule in subtracting integers. So we must change first the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. In this example, 3 minus negative 4. We must change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative 4 becomes 4 and proceed to addition. Therefore, it becomes 3 plus 4 and that is equal to 7. So the answer is 7y. Let's try this. 3x squared y minus 4xy squared minus 3x squared y plus 4xy squared. In this example, at first, these four terms look like they are like terms. But 3x squared y and negative 3x squared y are like terms. And negative 4xy squared and 4xy squared are like terms also. 3x squared y minus 3x squared y is 0. And negative 4xy squared plus 4xy squared is also 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. Another example, adding 3xy plus 4xa to 3xy minus 5xa. So let's take out first the terms out of the parentheses. That becomes 3xy plus 4xa plus 3xy minus 5xa. We can simplify 3xy plus 3xy, which is equal to 6xy, and 4xa minus 5xa, which is equal to negative xa. So the answer is 6xy minus xa. Last example, subtracting 4xy minus 5xa from 3xy plus 4xa. So let's take out first the terms out of the parentheses. And take note, this is subtraction. Therefore, we should change the sign of the subtract and proceed to addition. So it becomes 3xy plus 4xa minus 4xy plus 5xa. Simplifying 3xy minus 4xy is negative xy. And 4xa plus 5xa is 9xa. So the answer is negative xy plus 9xa. Answer the following exercises by pausing this video and playing it again to reveal the answers. We can calculate when will the pandemic end. Learn to subtract negative thoughts and add positive thoughts. Adding God in our life will lead us to a better future. And subtracting fears and doubts will make us resilient sons and daughters of our loving Heavenly Father. Remember that in mathematics, every problem has a solution.